Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, and in this video I'm going to show you how to gut and clean fish before cooking. I've been fishing since the age of 5, so 50 years now, and I've always sea fished, fished for trout, so I've always eaten my own catch. So I learnt how to clean and gut fish. And in this video I'm going to show you how to clean and gut various species of fish, so you get to see how easy it is to clean and gut fish. But we've got 4 varieties of fish here, so I'm going to start off with these and I'm going to show you how I clean and gut the fish before cooking. Gutting fish, yeah, a little bit messy, but once you wash your hands afterwards, it's all done. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to clean and gut a fish. Okay guys, the first step is to descale the fish. Basically the scales always run from the head down to the tail to make the fish aerodynamic in the water. So with a knife, just rub the fish against the scales. And as you can see, there's a slight line there where some of those scales have been removed. To be honest, with a mackerel, there's not really that many scales. I don't tend to do this, but this is just to show you for the video. Some people like to do it because they think the fish is cleaner. So just take your time and run the knife against the scales. So that one's done. You'll find some fish have got a lot more scales. This is a sea bream, a grey sea bream, and the scales are a lot larger. And you'll notice when I clean this one, there's more of a distinctive line. There we are, don't you can see that? Because there are a lot more scales on this fish. And do the other side. Careful with some of these fish because they're some of their fins can be quite sharp. But if you hold it by the towel, no real problems. There's all the scales. Just rinse that off. Okay guys, how to gut the fish. Here we have the mackerel, and you'll see there's a vent at the back. Basically place your knife in the vent and just run along until you get to the gill plate. And then just take your knife in and scrape away the guts. You'll notice that there's a black line along the spine, and that's just a blood cavity, so I just tend to use my thumb, just burst that, and once you rinse it under the tap, it's nice and clean. Now that's if you wanted to present it with the head on. If you want to take the head off, take your knife underneath the fin and cut towards the front of the fish, halfway across, flip it over, cut the tail off, and there you have your fish ready to cook. It's been cleaned and gutted. Just rinse it under the tap and that's done. If you want, you can take these fins off as well because they're quite hard. And that's it. There's your mackerel, all cleaned and ready to cook. Okay guys, we now have the grey sea bream. So again, exactly the same as the mackerel. You see the vent, place the knife in the vent and just run along up to the gill plate. Now this is actually a small fish, so I'm going to use my fingers and literally just pull the guts out. Don't worry, you can wash your hands after. Now again, you can cook it like that with the head on. I'm actually going to cook it with the head on, but there it is, cleaned. It's all gutted. It literally takes, guys, just a few minutes just to clean and gut a fish ready to be cooked. And then basically just give that a rinse under the tap and it's good to go. Okay, we've got the sardine. Same thing along the vent. Just remove, and that's clean. Look how quick that was. One cleaned and gutted sardine. Now guys, I didn't know, I did buy this fish, it's already been cleaned. But same principle, look, you can see they've done the same. From the vent all the way up, and it's just been cleaned. But they're all the same. And that's how to clean and gut fish before cooking. Okay guys, here's a pair of bass, sea bass. I'm now going to show you how to gut the sea bass and clean it before cooking. First thing first, need to descale them. Okay guys, the sea bass have been descaled as before, and what I'm going to show you with the sea bass is how quickly you can gut and clean a fish. So I'm going to just show you in real time how quick it is to gut a fish. So start off with a vent. Just pull out the guts. Okay, that's one done. Just using a regular knife, guys. It's actually quicker if you do chop the head off at the beginning, but I'll show you the longer process. Even so, you see how quick it is to gut a fish. Here we are. 2 fish cleaned, ready for cooking. That's how quick it is. Okay guys, I've got another fish from the fishmongers. No idea what it is. I think it's some sort of reef fish, a sort of grouper of some sort, small size. Never eaten it before, never gutted it before. So first thing first, I'm going to show you how to gut and clean this fish before cooking. First thing, descale it. Okay guys, this fish was a beast to descale. It had huge scales all over its body and they went flying as I was taking them off. So we're ready to clean and gut this fish now guys, and just exactly the same as all the others, you put your knife in the vent and just slide it up towards the gills. Take your knife inside and just scrape out the guts. Not much in there. Just pull them out. Just in with the fingers, just get the final bits out. And there we are. Fish all gutted, ready to be cooked. Simple as that. I think I'm going to fry this, guys, shallow fry it with some butter. Not eaten this before, and I'll let you know what it tasted like. There's some of the scales, guys, that have come off that fish. Unbelievable the amount of scales on that one and the size of them. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to clean and gut fish before cooking, and how to clean and gut any fish, because they're all the same, guys. And at the end of the day, if your hands get dirty, just give them a wash afterwards. And enjoy fresh fish. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Guys, this video has been filmed in 4K. Now, we've got a new setup for our YouTube channel. We're using a Sony AX53 4K digital camcorder, along with a Sony shotgun microphone. Details of all our setup can be found in the description below. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook this fish. I've got a hot pan already on with a little bit of oil, and I'm going to add some butter. Always put the oil in, and that stops the butter from burning. Turn the heat down a little bit. Okay, here's the fish, so I'm going to season that with a bit of salt. and then simply put it in the pan. Now you'll know when the fish is ready to turn over when it stops sizzling. Okay, as it's cooking, guys, I'm just going to baste it with some of that lovely butter. As you can see, I've cut into the flesh so the juices get into the meat of the fish. Yeah. Okay guys, that's been cooking for about 5 minutes on that side, so I'm going to turn the fish over. And we'll give it another 5 minutes. That was lovely. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. I've been basting it throughout the cooking with the butter, so we'll just turn the heat off and serve it up. There we are, our fried fish. Let's see what it tastes like. It's got quite a soft texture. Tastes quite nice actually, guys. I'd recommend that if I knew what it was.